I'm not doing my hair today. I'm literally just gonna throw on a hat because I'm just not in the mood. Just not in the mood, love. Let me see. We need to adjust the lighting. Perfect. Perfect. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly go through my everyday makeup routine whilst we are getting ready and just have a quick chit chat with the girls. So I was watching Ashley Carla's vlog the other day and she shouted out the Jamaican YouTubers that she watched. So I thought it was such a cool idea and I'm gonna do the same in this vlog. I'm just gonna tell you guys about my favorite Jamaican YouTubers at the moment, and I'm mostly gonna focus on the small YouTubers, if that makes sense. So first we go in and we prime our face. I normally use the infallible resurfacing primer, which is usually for normal to combination skin. My skin is quite normal, sometimes it may be a bit dry, from L'Oreal, and I tend to use a lot of that with moisturizer. I should have put on some moisturizer on my face, but anywho. So yeah, let's start with the, let me put you guys over here. That's better. I think that's better. So number one favorite Jamaican YouTuber is Daniel Eve. She's actually an old classmate of mine, so we go way back. But yeah, check out her vlogs. Her vlogs are usually entertaining and informative, a bit similar to mine. And then she has the day in the life, which is basically just lifestyle as well, so you guys can check her out. Obviously check out Ashley Carla. Traveling belonged to she did involve, she met the world traveling. Like, she was one of the people them way, you know, when looking at a dictionary you look for travel, you see me, you see Ashley Carla. So check her out. Also, we can't leave out Bikana. Goody, watch she goody just bad up the vlog master, bad it up with her drone shot them. She don't play with the game when it comes to the drones. Alright, so check out Bikana. And then obviously my babes, Lysania isn't doing vlogmas, but she posts quite consistently, I think between 2 to 3 times a week, so definitely go and check out Liz. And also another British Jamaican YouTuber is Sasha Antonia, which you guys have seen, who you guys have seen on my channel before, and she also does similar content to me, which is like lifestyle, travel, and she does informative interviews as well. So I have a video on her channel where I basically just spoke about my Airbnb to landlord journey, so you guys can definitely go and check her out. Who else do I watch? Am I missing anyone? There is another girl, but I can't remember her name. I'll see if I can put it up on the screen. Nice dark skin babe. Her. Who else am I missing? I don't think I'm missing anyone else. I'm gonna have to use my spoolie. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't tell you, but I just use the normal scroll up pencils. I usually use Sleek, but they stopped making them and life has just been sad since, so I just use these normal ones which I get from the hair shop. I'm just looking for my toothbrush to brush out my brows so it looks a bit more natural, because I'm going for soft glam today. Let me go in the bathroom and see if I can find it. I had a makeup brush, so I normally just use an old toothbrush and brush out the brows just to give it a bit of a natural look. And I tend to not fill in like the beginning of my eyebrows, because then it will just look like it was tattooed on. I like when it fades in. I think that suits my face better. Let me put my phone to charge while we're just in. Okay guys, we kind of need to hurry up. So my eyebrows are brushed out. I'm not digging this do-rag on my channel, like fam, why'd you look at this? But yeah, back to the program. So check out those YouTubers. I promise you guys won't regret it. Like, top 2 and they're not number 2. So yeah, I'm just gonna conceal my eyebrows. I'm using the NARS Radiance creamy concealer and I'm honestly obsessed. It just blends into my skin so well. I'm just doing a quick simple glam, so don't even judge me. This is just literally everyday makeup. I didn't want to do too much today, you know what I mean? Plus I'm genuinely just not in the mood. I can't cancel. So you just conceal under the brows, and then I just blend it with the buffer on the opposite end. I can always come back and tidy up my eyebrows. I tend to not spend too much time on them because honestly, once you start doing too much, that's when it starts going south. And then I'm just going back with the toothbrush and brush it again. And then I'm gonna just go in with my foundation. This is a light bead. I'm not even trying the type of beads. And for the foundation, I normally use NARS. I don't know why Fenty is all up in my business. I don't know why she's here. Guys, basically I went through, oh, I know where it is. Basically I went through my makeup and I just took out the stuff that I use every day, and I just have those here. So my makeup literally takes me like half the time that it usually would because everything is just right in my palm. So this is the one that I use for my chocolate babes. Definitely go and get the NARS. I wish I got it sooner. Like, listen, you've been telling me to buy it, but girl, I just don't listen. So finally got it, and it's one of the best purchases I've made. And I'm shade dark 2. New Caledonia Sheer Glow. Don't judge me. And then I just use my foundation brush. This is the Duo Fiber foundation brush, and I got this from Body Shop. I'm actually due to get some new brushes, but girl, I need to take, somebody needs to take my bank card away from me because I'm gonna do damage. And then, oh yes, I go in with the mini continuous setting spray. I usually have the bigger ones, but I thought I'd get this so I can travel with it because honestly it smells so good, and I just feel like it gives me a perfect finish without making me look too matte. Do you know what I mean? Then you just blend, blend, blend. I tend to not put too much foundation under my eyes because I don't have bad skin, so I don't need a lot. And then also I want my concealer to look minimal. I don't want it to look like, I don't want it to look heavy. Blend, 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 like I said. Blend, blend, blend. Oh no, so do underneath here. When I was younger, I used to not do underneath my face, and girl, the flashbacks were horrid. Absolutely horrid. Today, I don't even know, where's the date gonna be? I don't know what restaurant we're going. I don't even know. I just know me, I bring my belly. So I'm gonna expect nice things on our food. I'm never having no lunch today, so. It's the same concealer that I'm going back into, the same ones that I use under my eyebrows. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS. I never ever see the point in putting concealer on your forehead, especially when your forehead is big, but hey. I usually don't do it. I don't know why I'm doing it now. It's probably because you guys are watching. I usually just use whatever is left over on the brush to just do my forehead. So before I actually blend out my this is very important, and I learned this from a Jamaican YouTuber. Her name is Brittany Miller. She's the face of the bead face or something like that. I'll put it up on the screen. But she basically says you spray your setting spray before you blend out your concealer, and then you spray your setting spray again before you actually add your powder. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have to do what the girls told me to do. Guys, I hate when I'm going on a date and people don't message me the day before like, yeah, we're still on. Because, sir, I ain't leaving my house till you message me. I ain't leaving my crib. Ain't nobody gonna stood me up. No, the lighting is horrid on this angle. Let's go back where we belong, girlfriends. Yep. So you just blend again. I try to blend from the inside out. Like inside the eye crease coming outwards. Underneath here. Basically, you just hit T-zone areas where you want the light to concentrate on. And guys, I must say, having clean makeup brushes make all the difference to your makeup. Like, I promise you, that build up shit, it don't work no more. So I normally take my time with the concealer and then I blend it, and then if I'm not happy with the lift that I've got, then I'll go in again with the concealer with a few more, which I will do today because I want to look bright and my eye bags are screaming. I'm gonna do something a tad bit different just because I'm going out. I don't normally do this on my everyday makeup, but in the name of being cute, I just thought I'd add a bit of a boom today. So I'm gonna go in with the don't play yourself, camera, don't play me. Don't start right now. We got business to get on with. I'll blend that under my eyes. Then what I'm gonna do is, I've got this Fenty Beauty which is too dark for me, so I usually use it as a contour. I usually use it to contour instead of a foundation because it's so dark. And this is the Pro Filter. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And then I just use this brush, this angled brush, because I like having a sharp contour but still blended, do you know what I mean? And then I'm just gonna put a tad bit on my cheekbones where I want it to be contoured. And I also put my contour line higher. When I used to do makeup, I used to put it like here, but instead I put it higher now, and then I just blend it down and blend it up, so it just gives me that cheekbone. See, like there, like so. And then I just go in and blend it with one of these brushes. This is the foundation buffing brush, and then I just buff it in like upwards though. And I just use the excess and, you know, put it on my forehead, because again, soft glam, so I don't want to apply too much and then it just will look a bit mad. And then I'm gonna spray some of the setting spray, and then I'm gonna layer on my powder, my setting powder. And then while I'm setting my face, then I'll go back to my eyebrows and just tidy it up. And for the setting spray, we are using Fenty Beauty. We're using Fenty today. And I am in the shade Nutmeg. Spicy. Using... Guys, I don't think my camera is recording. This is pissing me off. Guys, my camera stopped recording and I didn't know that it stopped, so I don't even know where the video cut. But basically, the last thing that I did was I added my concealer and then I sprayed my face. I then went in with the powder, the Fenty Beauty powder, and I'm in the shade Nutmeg. And now I'm gonna go in with my contour powder for the cheekbones, and then I'm gonna just use the setting spray to just line the cheekbone where I want it, and then spray my face, and I'm basically done after I add my highlight. So I was saying that if you're a dark skin babe, like, do yourself a favor and get one of these. This is the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer, and I'm in the shade Dark. And you honestly don't need a lot. Like, it's so pigmented, you have to be careful. And then I just brush it upwards, and I'll go down here just to sharpen it, and then I'll go to the sides just to highlight my T-zone a bit more, and then obviously you blend out the forehead. And then I just brush off then now I go back in with the setting powder, and then I basically just make the line for my contour just to sharpen it a bit. Sometimes I'll hold it like this if I want it to be really sharp, like today. You see? Next side. And then I just brush off the excess, making sure that both lines are meeting. And then I just brush off the excess off here, off my actual face. And then I will spray everything, and then I just go in with my foundation brush and basically just blend like the sharp areas so everything is a bit more seamless. My eyebrows don't look that bad, you know. Not going to, but that's all. I don't know much correction though. So like I said, a foundation brush with the foundation that you used earlier, and then you just blend everything together so it's a bit more seamless. And I blend outwards, so I'm not putting the old product into my face. I just blend it away from my face. I just feel like these little stuff make a big difference to your makeup. Like, honestly, using clean brushes, slowly adding product, like building it up as opposed to just dashing on a lot on your face. I feel like that makes all the difference. So now that that's blended, now all we gotta do is add our highlight, do our lips or eyebrow or mascara, and we done. very quick, 15-20 minutes max. Mix. Thank you, Jesus. I need to do my COVID test. I don't know what I'm playing at. So a little bit of highlight, then the same foundation brush again. You just go and blend outwards just to get rid of all the harsh lines. And then I just put a tad bit underneath my eyebrows just so it can look a bit cleaner. Sorry guys, the lighting isn't really given today, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? I would go for the ring light, but I don't have the time. Oh yes. That's why I have the product off your lip. Try to build it up. Look at early them. And then I'm just gonna go in with my lip liner, chestnut as always. I normally just back out the pencil to just blend it a bit. And then, do we want a nude lip today, or do we want to go red, wake up the town? You think red? Or nude? Maybe nude, something, you know? Something for certain. Some mascara that I'm gonna put on my clothes, my edges, and then we are ready. I need to get my lashes done. My lash girl went on holiday. I made it small. Now I try to add it to me. Simple sample set example. We fall down and we get up. Ooh. I got this from Pull & Bear. It's so warm. It's like unbelievably warm. I'm gonna just throw on this jacket and then I'm gonna wear some trainers with it. Maybe Converse or something like that. But yeah, this is the fit. And then I'm just gonna bring my handbag. Not the Valentino because she is tired. I'm gonna bring something with a bit of color just to, you know, bring up the outfit. And then I'm gonna wear some white or maybe some brown trainers, and that's me. And then this is the face. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If I can show you guys where I went, I will, but I doubt it. If anything, it may have to be a TikTok or something simple, girl. So bye.